Hello my friend, my name is Stella Sky, and in today's video I will show you my favorite art genres. To get the best results, add them at the beginning of your prompt in Midjourney. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also my newsletter to get more AI prompts with resale rights. Links are in the comments and description. See you soon in our free community AI Business Mastermind on School. Watch this video next to get more interesting tips for AI art. Take care. Stella Sky.